For many Phoenixville homeowners, replacing an old or worn-out door isn't just about updating curb appeal. It's a smart investment that directly improves home security, comfort, and long-term energy savings. Modern door systems are designed to offer stronger protection, tighter insulation, and enhanced performance that older doors simply can't match. If you've been debating whether it's time to upgrade, here's why door replacement in Phoenixville can make a meaningful difference for your home. Stronger materials provide better security. One of the top reasons homeowners consider door replacement is the need for improved security. Older doors often weaken over time due to moisture exposure, warping, rust, or general wear. These issues make them easier to breach and reduce the effectiveness of your locks. New replacement doors, on the other hand, are engineered with durability and security in mind. Materials like steel, fiberglass, and high-density wood composites provide greater resistance to force and tampering. Reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant cores add an additional layer of protection, something that can give Phoenixville homeowners peace of mind. Even small improvements can make a big difference. Modern hinges, stronger strike plates, and upgraded deadbolts significantly reduce the risk of forced entry. When you replace your door, you aren't just improving appearance, you're strengthening your home's first line of defense. Enhanced weather resistance helps Phoenixville homes stay protected. Phoenixville experiences a mix of temperature swings, seasonal storms, and humidity. A door that isn't properly sealed can become a major weak spot against harsh weather. New exterior doors feature advanced weather stripping, durable seals, and precision-fit installation that help keep moisture, drafts, and debris out. This reduces the likelihood of water damage, mold growth, and structural deterioration around your entryway. Investing in a replacement door means your home stays better protected year-round. Improved energy efficiency reduces utility costs. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest benefits of door replacement in Phoenixville, especially for homeowners looking to cut monthly utility bills. Older doors often have gaps, air leaks, or minimal insulation, allowing heated or cooled air to escape your home. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, which increases energy usage and raises your energy costs. New doors are designed with energy performance in mind. Many feature insulated cores, tight compression seals, and energy-efficient glass inserts that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. By eliminating drafts and preventing heat loss, a replacement door helps your home stay warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, reducing strain on your heating and cooling system. Over time, these improvements can lead to significant savings and a more comfortable living environment for your family. Modern doors offer customizable style and functionality. Security and energy efficiency don't mean sacrificing aesthetic appeal. Today's replacement doors come in a variety of designs, colors, glass options, and hardware styles to match your home's personality and architectural style. Whether you prefer a classic wood grain look, a contemporary fiberglass design, or a sleek steel entry door, there are plenty of options that blend beauty and performance. Many Phoenixville homeowners choose doors with decorative glass or custom finishes to boost their home's curb appeal while still enjoying enhanced safety and efficiency. Professional installation ensures maximum benefits. Even the best door won't perform well without proper installation. That's why working with an experienced Phoenixville door installation professional is essential. Expert installers ensure the door fits perfectly, seals tightly, and operates smoothly, allowing you to enjoy the full security and energy-saving benefits of your upgrade. A smart investment for every Phoenixville homeowner. Replacing your door is more than a cosmetic update. It's a practical and valuable investment that enhances your home's security, comfort, and efficiency. With stronger materials, improved insulation, and better protection against the elements, a new door can make your home safer and more energy efficient for years to come. If you're looking to improve both your home's protection and your long-term savings, door replacement in Phoenixville is an excellent place to start.